This is our book, Nosh Everyday Gluten-Free, go-to recipes for every day of the week. There's a nice little picture of us and a letter from Mum, our trusty mug. No weighing scales in this book. It's actually also a sugar-free, processed sugar-free book, and you can see why in that bit there. You can choose to not do that if you like, but that is definitely an option. So we've got some breakfast ideas, some granolas, and some little smoked salmon wrap. We've got the camembert, baked camembert there. We've got some potato skins, a seriously green soup, and then into our fast section, a chicken curry with broccoli rice, followed by some crispy bolognese wrap, kind of open wrap type things, a little mango chicken, and then into the super simple section with that Normandy fish stew, a lovely prawn curry dish, and an amazing doughless pizza. We've got simple pasta dishes, we've got tray bakes, and then some angry eggs, which are basically just spicy eggs to finish. Then we've got a take your time section, so we've got some slow roast, some lovely mango roast chicken, a honey roast gammon with pesto dauphinoise, and then into the final sweet section, kicking off with a sticky toffee pudding. Then we've got some tray bakes, some cookies, some cakes, a little stack of lovely pancakes, and then we've got the make your own. We've got some bread recipes utilising a bread maker, some waffles, a sugar-free ice cream, a 1-minute hummus, and then finally an instant ice cream just using a food processor. And there's a list of the rest of our little books if you fancy having a look at those as well. But this has been Nosh Everyday Gluten-Free. Enjoy!